Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen up to pattern number 18, right? How you can able to display stars in this style and how to display stars in this style. Now the situation came for to display stars in the top direction and then bottom direction. We have 7 rows are there and 7 columns are there. So first I need to display stars in this style. Next, I want to display stars in this style. So in the next rows, I don't want to take any stars. This is nothing but one requirement. This is nothing but one requirement. So it is same like previous program, whatever we have done. In these cases, what we have seen, I value greater than or equal to j, 12 minus I greater than or equal to j. I value is less than or equal to j, 12 minus I is less than or equal to j. So if you want to print the stars in this particular direction, like either in this style or in this style also we have seen. So if you see these two styles, here I value is less than or equal to j, and here what we have done, I value is greater than or equal to j. So now 12 minus I is less than or equal to j, and 12 minus I greater than or equal to j. So less than, greater than, greater than. Here we have to take less than, another one is greater than. So if another one is greater than, we have to take less than. That symbols we have to change. Automatically we are going to get, because we are not only depending on I, we are depending on j also. Just I will execute that part alone so that you can understand very clearly. So what I am going to do for this is nothing but I value is always less than or equal to j, because that is the common. In this example, if you see, if I want to get stars in any position, you can see the value of I is always less than j, right? That's what I have taken. And what about the 12 minus I? Your 12 minus I. For example, here, if you take like this, 12 minus I, 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is nothing but what? 10. That 10 value should be greater than or equal to this one. Greater than or equal to this one. That means here you have to take a greater than or equal to j. I value is less than, 12 minus I is greater, because up to this I value is less. From here 12 minus I value is greater. So that we are going to get this particular style. Now let us see. We are getting the stars in the top direction or not? Yes. This is the way how we can able to write simply the Python program to display stars in this top direction, right? Thank you.